So let's calculate price index first, and that would be column 3. In order to calculate price index, you want to take the price of the market basket in a specific year, which is the numerator, over the price of the same basket in the base year. Now, what that means is the base year will not change. It will remain constant throughout the calculation of multiple price indices. So let's get started with year 4. And now, as we see in year 4, the price of pizza is $30. I'm going to take that over the price of the same basket in the base year. We are assuming that the base year is year 1, which makes the price of pizza $10 at that time. The math gives me 30 over 10 times 100. And that answer is going to be 300, which I'll place right here. Now, in order to get the year 5 price index, I'll do the same thing, except for the fact that the year 5 price is now $28. I'll keep the same base year price of 10 times 100, and that will give me 280 as my final price index for year 5. Okay, let me erase that now and work on the calculation for NGDP, which is nominal GDP, and real GDP. So for year 4, we want to calculate nominal GDP. It's very simple for nominal because we just take the math, which is nominal GDP equals P times Q, which is column 1 times 2, okay? 1 is our Q and 2 is our P. So if I take 10 times 30, okay, I will get an answer of 300. Okay, so that is 300. And then for 28 times 11, I'll get an answer of 308. All right, and then finally we want to calculate real GDP for year 4. We are going to use this formula right here. And so nominal GDP in year 4, which is the numerator right here, is 300. Okay? And then we have the price index in hundredths. So I'm going to take 300 and move the decimal over 2 places, which makes 300 now converted into hundredths. So that would be 3. And that's going to equal 100. And that is real GDP for year 4. I'll do the same thing, the same process for year 5. I'm going to take 308 divided by 2.8, and I will get a GDP, a real GDP of 110. So the bottom line here is that when you calculate real GDP, you are utilizing a price index which has a base year of 10, which effectively means that you're holding the year 1 price of 10 constant throughout the calculation of real GDP throughout all of the years 1 through 5, which is very different in compared to how you calculate nominal GDP, which is price times quantity in each given year. Okay, that is the big difference between the two. That's it.